Hi, so today we are installing a new door on the bathroom. Just want to show you guys how it's done. So when installing doors, your opening is going to be larger than your door frame itself. So to fix that, what you do is you install cedar shims. You can use cedar, you can use plastic shims. These are just what I have. You will wedge them in the opening. Get your door centered where you want it. Put one on each side. Because you want to keep your door, frame flat and square. If you just push it in on one side, you will start to twist the door frame, which it doesn't look clean. You can have issues with the door closing, staying closed. Because we have tile in our bathroom here, it sticks up a little bit higher than the rest of the flooring. What you can do is you can trim the bottom of the door off just a little bit to counteract that. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to suck this up nice and tight, and it's going to give me just the perfect amount of clearance on the bottom. So to start that, I'm just going to take one screw, sink it right there, come over to this other side. Flush it up with my drywall here. Sink it in there. And now, once I get the door frame level and plumb, this door should be able to open and close. Okay, so we got this side of the door frame, which is the hinge side. We have this all secure. It is secured up to the top here. This side here is the side that I always screw first. It is the most important, because if this board is not plumb and there's a bit of a bow to it, that's going to affect the door as to where the door is going to lay and how smooth that door is going to close. So now, door closes and opens nice and smoothly. So now we're going to take this side here, get this side nice and plumb, and we will, from this side here, make sure that our gap and our reveal is the same from the top all the way down to the bottom. This will be the side that we are going to put the shims in. We have a little bit of a gap, so if we just take the screws and we run the screws through, all it's going to do is push and pull this board in and out, which is not ideal, because then, like I said, that is going to change how this gap and this reveal is going to lay. So we're going to take these shims, one from each side. the other important thing when installing a door is you want to make sure that this board here, this edge of the door frame and this edge of the door frame are both plumb and parallel to one another. Otherwise, when you close the door, maybe the top might stick away from the door frame, and that obviously doesn't look very good. Have it set where I would like it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my screws and I'm going to run them right in where I have those cedar shims. Double check, close the door, make sure that our gap looks the same and good all the way across. And then all you do is you just come back in, cut these shims off, and you can put your door jambs on, or you can put your door casings on. Make sure your heads, your screw heads, go for a walk here, take your screw heads, put them just below the surface. Again, just cut these off, put them just below the surface so you can go back in with some wood filler. All right, thank you. Please like and subscribe.